In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Mailchimp account quickly and easily. We'll walk through each step to ensure that you're accessing your email marketing dashboard in no time. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. It doesn't matter which one you choose, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other, as all major browsers support Mailchimp. Once you've got that open, navigate to the Mailchimp homepage by typing in the URL, which is http://mailchimp.com. This will take you directly to their site where you can access your account. Now take a look at the top right corner of this page. You should see a button that says Login. Go ahead and click on that and you'll be taken to the login page. Now that you're on the login page, it's time to enter your credentials. In the first field that appears, you'll need to input your username or your email address, depending on what you've registered with your Mailchimp account. Ensure that this information is typed correctly to avoid any login issues. Next, you'll want to enter your password in the following field. Again, make sure you type this carefully to prevent any mishaps. After entering your username and password, you're ready to proceed. Click on the login button that appears below the fields. In some cases, if you've set up two-factor authentication or 2FA, Mailchimp will require an extra step to ensure the security of your account. This means a verification code will be sent to your pre-registered email or phone number. Just check your email or text messages, retrieve the code, and enter it when prompted. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be redirected to your Mailchimp dashboard. This is your control center for all your email marketing activities. Here you can manage your campaigns, organize your email lists, and analyze your marketing performance through the analytics tools provided by Mailchimp. And that's it, folks. You've now logged into your Mailchimp account. Remember, should you experience any issues while logging in, double check that your internet connection is stable and verify your login details and security code if you have two-factor authentication enabled. And don't hesitate to use the forgot password link on the login page if you're having trouble remembering your password. Hopefully this guide has made logging in not just quick but also easy and stress-free. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials to optimize your Mailchimp experience.